Happy Monday, Mays Intermediate School. This is Mrs. Lavelle, and I'm going to spend just a few minutes explaining to you the new system that we are going to be using for after-school bus riders. If you ride the bus in the morning, everything will remain exactly the same. This is only for students who are riding the bus after school. Starting today after school, we will only have half of the buses coming to Mays Intermediate School. So I'm going to show you the list of those buses first. I'm going to scroll down here. These are the buses that you will see in our lineup after school. Now, if you notice here, I know this map is kind of hard to see, the only buses that will be in our lineup after school today are the ones that are normally next to the sidewalk. If you ride a bus that is not next to the sidewalk, I'm going to explain to you the new system that we are going to use to get you onto the correct bus. So this is the lineup that will be here after school. If you ride one of the smaller buses, you will just continue to ride the same numbered small bus. For any of the kids that ride buses that are normally on the inside or next to the parking lot, you're going to have a slightly different system starting after school today. So let me go over what that looks like. These numbers in yellow are exactly the same as what they have been. If you are on one of these numbered yellow buses, your afternoon will also look exactly the same. Unfortunately, for the kiddos who ride green numbered buses, so the buses that are going to be closest to the parking lot, your school buses are actually going to go to Mays Middle School first. After they go to Mays Middle School, they will meet all of the buses at Mays High School. You will, in the time being, be riding what they're calling a sister bus. So let's take a look at bus 237 right here in the middle. When you come outside after school tomorrow, bus 237 will not be there because it is a green numbered bus. This bus is going to go to Mays Middle School first. If you ride bus 237, you are going to get on and ride bus 238. If you notice here, it is in a red box. They are calling these sister buses. So if you ride bus 237, you're going to ride bus 238 just from our school until you get to Mays High School. Once you get to Mays High School, the bus driver will have you get off bus 238 and get on the correct bus of 237. This is true in the same process for all of the buses in green. Another example, if you would normally ride bus 85, this bus is not going to be at our school tomorrow. You would ride the sister bus, number 25. After riding to Mays High School, you would get off bus 25 and get on to bus 85. Again, this system, they're calling it the bus rodeo, will ensure that half of the buses are going to Mays Intermediate School first, all of the ones in the yellow, and half of the buses are going to go to Mays Middle School first. Once all the buses get to Mays High School, they will make sure that all kids can get then on the correct bus. The lineup will be the same, so your bus should be right next to the correct bus that you should be riding. The only bus that has a different rule is bus 2119, all the way in the back. Bus 2119, your sister bus, number 37, is actually not going to go to Mays High School. So you are going to get on bus number 8. So 2119 and bus number 6, any of those riders will get on bus 8 until you get to Mays High School. I know this can be kind of tricky, but this is going to be the new afternoon system. We will be there today to help you make sure that you get on the correct bus, and then the same procedure will follow every other day after this. Teachers, if you have questions, please let me know. Make sure you help your student understand that the yellow buses will be at Mays Intermediate School. They will not have to change or move. If they ride a yellow bus, they're just going to stay on the bus that they are on. It's only the kiddos who are riding the green buses that will have to move their bus when they get to Mays High School. Have a wonderful day, and we will get through this adventure together.